Oh, it's awesome. Love the conference, love everything. Weather's great. What can go wrong?
Every time we come to a Navigate event, there's just all these great tech heads that just want to talk Kubernetes, cloud native. It's been a really great time.
For meeting so many enthusiastic developers here. This is awesome to be here in Austin, so we're having a great time.
Really good event. We've seen some really awesome people coming up here wanting to learn about Kubernetes and how Kubernetes can help their business.
Some amazing conversations here with lots of really interesting and really involved developers and Kubernetes specialists.
We've had a great day today. I've had a lot of great conversations with potential customers and customers we've seen in the room, actually.
This is the first time we as a company are here at this conference, and it has been great for us. It's just been great to hear more of the cloud native community get excited and realize the importance of platform engineering and investing in developer experience.
There's some great food. We've had some great people come to the booth, the lock picking. Some great speakers as well from various different industries, all talking about tech. So overall, it's been a great experience, and excited to be back once again.
We love the event. We had some amazing conversations about the databases and database as a service offering that we are working on. Beautiful places, great crowd. I highly recommend the event. Cheers.
We've had a lot of great people come by, but the quality of the people that come by has been really great too. Lots of people asking really great questions, giving feedback.
Good people, good connections, good conversations with the attendees. So highly recommend it.
If you ever get a chance to go to Civo Navigate, don't miss that opportunity.